Hey everybody, this is Stuart with Wine on the Dime, and today I have a build your own wine kit. It has some soil, it has grape seeds, nutrients, some moisture, and I was told that if you kind of put it together and you give it a slow press, it turns into something pretty cool. Huh, that worked. Hey everybody, like I said, I am back today. I am doing Slow Press Cabernet. It is 13.5% alcohol by volume. It's from California, if I recall. Yeah, California. That's what that state reads. It was, I want to say it's $12 at my local H-E-B grocery store. And it's their vintage. It's a 2015. So let's go ahead and do my sample. So, from a color standpoint, it's a ruby. It's dark, but it's not too dark. It's not a lighter red by any standards. So, I mean, it's a ruby color. It has, let's see here. I thought I saw a cloudiness, but it just might be my glass itself. So, looking at, there's no cloudiness, no artifacts, and a reasonable amount of transparency. Like I said, it's not too dark. From a nose standpoint, ooh, that's a lot of blackberry coming out of that. But it also has a hint of black cherry. Maybe a touch of plum, and there's something else in there. It's an herb, I'm gonna get it. Maybe a tiny bit of what smells like rosemary, but not concentrated like you would get like the oil from the leaves, almost like rosemary stem, where you get like essence of it, but it's still kind of an earthy smell. It's definitely an earthy smell, like you can kind of smell a little bit of the dirt. I mean, overall, it actually smells pretty darn good. So let's take a look at it from a flavor perspective. Okay, it's a little bit heavier than I thought it would be. A little bit, almost it tastes like it has a little bit more of like sugary residue on the palate, but not sweet. It's just kind of has that coat your tongue, but not in a tannic way. It's very difficult to describe. So like, there's tannins kind of suck the water out of your mouth, make your mouth feel rough. It's not doing that. I would probably say it has moderate to low tannins. Now, in terms of the actual like sweetness, not sweet at all, but it kind of still gives you that kind of like residual sugar coat your mouth type of feel a little bit there. So that's still present. But from a flavor perspective, blackberries and the black cherries shine. And they're not overdone. They actually have a pretty good balance. I'm not getting too much of that herbiness, but I am getting a reasonable amount of like the soil taste. Yeah, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Now what am I gonna rate this? I'm gonna rate you good. You're not bad. You're not knocking my socks off, but you know what? I've had much worse wines, and you will be one that I will take back to my computer and enjoy while I'm editing this video and uploading it to the YouTubes. So anyway, this has been Stuart with Wine on the Dime. If you liked today's video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have you tried Slow Press Cabernet? I'd be interested to know if you have. Leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys again soon with another episode from Wine on the Dime. Hey everybody, so you made it to the end of the video. Despite what you probably think this is, no, it really is like some sort of like soily component. It's not pot. But you know what is a really cool thing to do? Not that, but subscribing to my channel. Subscribing to my channel helps me, it helps you. You get more videos, you get more content. You can also watch this video right here. I hear it's really good, and I know that because YouTube says so.